Hello everyone, welcome to Foppex. In this video, we'll show you how to blacklist and whitelist IP addresses in 3CX. This is an important security feature that allows administrators to block suspicious IP addresses or allow trusted ones to access the system. First, log into your 3CX web client. Once you're logged in, go to the Admin tab. Then click on Advanced. Under Advanced, you will find the IP Blacklist section. To allow a trusted IP address, click Add. Enter the IP address, for example, 192.168.2.77. Set the action to Allow. Allow means the IP address is whitelisted. You can also set an expiration date. For trusted networks, you can set a longer expiration period. Click OK to save. To block an IP address, click Add again. Enter the IP address. Set the action to Deny. Deny means the IP address is blacklisted, so it cannot access the system. You can also add a description explaining why the IP address was blocked. Then click OK. 3CS allows you to block or allow a range of IP addresses. Instead of adding a single IP, you can enter a subnet and subnet mask to cover a range of addresses. This is useful when managing larger networks or blocking multiple addresses at once. If suspicious behavior appears in the event logs, such as repeated login attempts or unknown requests, administrators can identify the source IP and blacklist it to prevent further access. While 3CX may temporarily block suspicious IPs automatically, administrators can extend the block manually for a longer duration. You can also edit existing entries or remove them completely from the list if they are no longer needed. IP blacklisting and whitelisting is a simple but powerful way to protect your 3CS system from unauthorized access. In the next video, we'll look at another security feature. If you have any questions or inquiry, reach out to us at info@foppex.com. And remember, for any license purchased on our shop, you get 3 free hours of remote support. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.